Hey guys, this is Mr. Jar from Sunny Slope, and this week I might be teaching you guys how to make a little construction paper insect, so more specifically a butterfly. So hope you guys find this useful and follow along. So let's get to it. Okay, so the materials you're gonna need is a cup, doesn't matter what size, just make sure that it's rounded at the bottom. And then something that's smaller than the cup, so like for the main body it's gonna be this size, then the head is gonna be this size. So again, up to you what size you want to use. So and then either a glue stick, or some tape to put the body parts together. On some scissors, a pencil, marker, and a black marker to color in the bodies. You're also gonna need the construction paper. So since I am gonna be making a ladybug, I might be going with black, red, and then white for the eyes. So I hope you guys follow along. And feel free to use any insect you want. Just make sure you get the right color first. So let's get to it. Okay, so get your main body, and then the bigger cup or the bigger circle. And then just kind of outline it. So you're gonna wanna make 3 circles of the same size. Okay, so after you have the main body, you just get the black part, and then with the smaller circle, just make one. So since I am using color black, I'm gonna be switching to white to kind of outline it. And this is gonna be for the head. So there's the circle, and then you just get your scissors and start cutting it up. Also, don't forget to make the little antenna, so like just make a line, doesn't matter what size. Just kind of cut a line, a thin line across. So let's get to cutting it. Okay, so after you have your circles cut out, you just pick a main body out of the 3. So I might be using this one since I kind of cut it wrong here. Then get the head, and then kind of glue it like this. So now that that's ready, get the other circle and fold it in half. So something like this. And do the same for the other one. So these are gonna be the wings for the ladybug. So get the wings, get one side, and then kind of so go over the head and kind of twist it a little bit. So let's get the other one. You kind of do it like this, and then leave, as you can see, leave like a little opening here, because you're gonna be pulling that in. So you just kind of do it like that. So as you can see, here's your main body for the ladybug. So now get a black marker and kind of fill this in. So fill this part in. Just color it in. Okay, so now that that's ready, get the little white construction paper or a white paper, and then just kind of get like the tip of the marker, and then make a little circle or 2 little circles. So something like that, and then to make it faster, just kind of cut this part. Just cut it and then fold it like this. And then just kind of cut this part, and you should be able to get 2 circles. So see, come up 2, and then just get your glue stick and glue it in. Okay, so now you just need your antenna, so you just get the black parchment paper and make the little line. You're just gonna get it and cut it straight. And then just gonna glue the tip. And kind of put it like this. And if they're too big, you can always just cut them. So here's the final product. So I hope you guys enjoyed and find this useful. Also, as you can see, the wings flap. They can come up, and then here if you write your name, your parents' name. Up to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed.